Hello, good morning. I'm Second Engineer Rossetti from Tenamaris.
Yes, good morning. I am Second Engineer Jason Pusing from Tenamaris.
Paul Winard Rodriguez, ETO from Tenamaris. Salamat kasi natuto ako dito ng mga ibang troubleshooting approach saka mga information na dito ko lang nakuha na which is matagal ko na dapat palang alam na dito ko lang nalaman. Dahil doon, mas naging confidence ako harapin yung kung ano man yung ibigay na lineup, hindi na ako tatanggi kasi kadalasan ganun pag alam mo problemado, tatanggi ka. Pero nang dahil sa training na to, parang gusto ko na ulit sumampa kahit kabababa ko lang, parang ganun yung feeling. Kaya
I highly recommend Shuttle Marine kasi dito ko natutunan, tsaka kung baga nadagdagan ng marami yung aking kaalaman. Tapos yung sa operation, parang dito pa lang sa Shuttle Marine na-master ko na yung operation, yung function, troubleshooting, tsaka yung process of elimination, kung paano magtrabaho yung system at paano siya i-troubleshoot. So dito sa training ng Shuttle Marine, napakarami kong natutunan. So, ang akin, I highly recommend Shuttle Marine, number 1.
Because Sir Mike gave us the examples and he explained it very well. So, for us, it is a very big gain for our profession. So, sabi nga nila, just always ask question and somebody will give you a correct answer. So just find the right training center. So I just recommend Shuttle Marine is number 1.